Hello guys, I am Astha and you're watching News 47. Welcome to the Mental Health series part 3. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most serious mental illness, that is depression. More than 264 million people in the world are suffering from depression. Depression is one of the leading causes of suicide and self-harm. It is most common in 18 to 25 years of age group. But what is depression and what it feels like to be depressed? Depression is not feeling okay but pretending to be the happiest person around. Sometimes it's not wanting to talk to anyone, and other times you need people to surround you to get a break from your thoughts. It's overthinking, but it's also feeling numb. Depression is not just about crying yourself to sleep, it is also about not sleeping for days. Depression is about overeating to starving yourself for days. It's the fear of missing out, but also social anxiety. You are scared to open up to people because you are afraid that they might pity you. You are insecure, you are uncomfortable, you overthink, you overanalyze the situation, you overthink about your past, you become upset, and then you become lonely, and then you are depressed, and then you try to stop your thoughts, your actions, but you are not in control. Depression is about the fear of losing control. Depression is about wanting to stop these feelings, but you just cannot switch off the buttons. Depression is frustrating, and sometimes these frustrations lead to reckless actions in our life. Decreased energy levels, heartache, headache, pain, cramps, negative thoughts, thoughts of suicide and death, suicide attempts, difficulty in sleeping or oversleeping, loss of interest, feeling of guilt, worthlessness, hopelessness, irritability, pessimism are some of the early signs of depression in a person. There are various causes of depression. It can be due to genetic issues or maybe due to stress, hormone imbalance, or even due to some biochemical reactions in our brain. It is very important to be aware about depression because the early signs and symptoms can be mistaken as stress. Because if not treated properly, it can lead to severe mental illness like panic attacks, anxiety attacks, bipolar disorders, or sudden urge to harm oneself or others, etc. Depression is a struggle in which our body wants to survive, but our mind wants to die. Exercise, physical activities, having a good routine, exposure to sunlight, spending more time in nature, avoiding caffeine, and if the pressure is too much, talking to a therapist can help a person deal with depression. We often misunderstand depression with anxiety and vice versa. But depression and anxiety are two different things. Their symptoms might be similar, but they aren't the same. Anxiety is a feeling of being on the edge and troubled thoughts, but the depression is feeling hopeless and imagining worst case scenarios in everything. Anxiety can lead to depression, whereas depression can lead to suicide. Depression too has its types. Some of these are atypical depression, situational depression, bipolar disorders, sad, psychotic depression. Depression makes a person see life in a negative way. Instead of enjoying little things in life, they seem to take it as a burden. It makes the person lonely, sad, and numb. And nobody deserves to deal with depression. So, if you see the signs in a person or yourself, try giving them hope and make them feel loved and important. Our little efforts can help somebody save their life. That's all for today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.